Welcome to Cityhauln, where every step is a journey through the heart of the city. I'm John Sutton, your guide to the soul of the city. On this channel, we take you on immersive walking tours, exploring the hidden gems and iconic landmarks of cities around the world. Whether you're a local looking to rediscover your city or a traveler seeking the authentic experience, Cityhauln is your passport to urban exploration. But Cityhauln isn't just about our journey. It's about creating a community of passionate city enthusiasts like yourself. Share your favorite city memories, suggest places to explore, and be part of the Cityhauln family. Subscribe now and let's walk the world together. Join me as we walk through the streets, soak in the atmosphere, and uncover the stories that make each city special. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's connect on social media.